Alright, so this computer came in for battery not charging. Interestingly enough, I haven't taken any screws out of this, and there's like one screw holding it together. That's crazy. So let's figure out what the heck is going on here. Like every screw is missing from the bottom of this. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. Now, this is one of those situations where this laptop has probably been apart a bunch of times. And I can tell you right now, it's dirty as hell inside. Let's figure out what is going on here. Get the front unclipped. Make sure we don't have any roaches pour out of this thing. Like every single screw is missing from this laptop. The motherboard is being held in with nothing. What the heck? Like the motherboard isn't like. What is going on here? Something else is going on here. Wait, this is a screw from the bottom of the laptop. What is actually going on here? That screw is either completely stripped or it's just spinning the housing underneath it. What the heck is going on here? This is crazy. This computer is just destroyed. At this point, I'm curious if this DC jack is even plugged in. Apparently it is. See if we got any shorts. I think I found our problem. That's hilarious. All right. Actually use this thing. So we can see what the problem is. So I'm not going to try and fix this. I'm just going to order one. Alright, so we're going to leave this thing apart until this replacement DC jack gets here. This is... I don't even know if this thing's going to work with this new DC jack. I'm willing to bet there's still something else wrong with this, but we're gonna wait and see.
The next day.
Alright, DC jack replacement. Well, let's see if this thing actually turns on now. This is the computer where literally everything... Oh, I need to activate this. Literally everything was unscrewed. So... And there's like literally no screws holding anything together on this. Alright, so... here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do what we do, like, for testing. What is going on here? Of course, it's the power button on the bottom of the motherboard. Where else would they put that connector? Other than, you know, someplace completely and utterly unaccessible. Can you access this from the top? No, this keyboard doesn't come out. We'll do all these all over again. All right, so now we have to do this way, because the only way to get this power switch in is like this. Doesn't really make sense to me. It seems like it's upside down. It is upside down. So it's supposed to be like this. And then that goes like that. Unbelievable and annoying. Motherboard connector. Alright, now. Pull out those. Pull out these screws. New power cord. All these cables are connected. We have all these random screws. I need to put a single screw in here to hold the motherboard in, even though all of them were missing. We're gonna raid our screw bin later today if this works. All right, let's get this out of here. Let me grab my power cord. All right, so first things first. Plug that in. Oh, actually in there? Why doesn't that feel right? There we go. Jeez, man. Okay. Moment of truth. We have a power light now. And we have power. I guess that's the beauty of having a power cord that's actively connected to something. This drive is probably... I'm wondering if this dude got this out of a garbage can or something. All right, well, let's put this thing back together now. I'm gonna have to steal screws from you, Angeline. This computer was missing like a majority of its screws. Yeah, so that screw's got to come out. That is the wrong size for that. I need this size. So that one doesn't get one. This fan sure does get one. Nope. No, it's just easier to pick them up. Yeah, I mean, these are all these are all screws. And it's not food. This would be bad food. Hey, maybe it'll replace the screws I've got loose in my head, though. All right, everything is now attached back down. Now we gotta find screws for the bottom of this thing, which had one. which actually it didn't even have one. It had some other random screw. So this one, that one, and that one all need to be unpopulated. They're screwed in from the outside. Which is fine. Ah, this is a 17-inch model. Screw goes there. But thankfully, I can just do. Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
I need screws that are that long, like long guys. You know what you can find.
I've got some in here, and I've got some over here.
These ones are a little bit too long. So I need half. Oh, maybe these. Yeah, these guys. Perfect. Got it. And they're Dells. No. Well, the color that you're seeing on there is Loctite. So basically, it's a glue that's supposed to hold the screws in place.
Yeah, but I also have screws that have glue on it.
Yes, which is Loctite.
So what's the red?
Loctite. They're both Loctite. Should charge this guy for these screws. 'Cause for once, I'm gonna have a bunch of screws that I can just put in there. No, it's the thread lock they come with from whatever manufacturer. Forgot I got two more. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.